The most important thing in ionic formulas is knowing what a charge is on an ion. Now, there's an explanation for it, but that's kind of a different topic. So what I'm going to do is I'm show you how to do this quickly. Now, for example, everything in group 1 is 1 plus and will form a 1 plus ion. Everything in group 2 will form a 2 plus ion. Everything in group 3 will form a 3 plus ion. Now, they're really easy to remember. Group 7 isn't so much, it's 1 minus, and group 6 is 2 minus. Now, there are reasons for this. This you should have done in atomic structure, but when it comes to working out ionic formulas, that's literally all you need to know. Okay, so, well, how do we do it? So I'm going to pick one. I'm going to pick an easy one. I'm going to pick lithium chloride. I'm going to say, right, what is the formula of lithium chloride? Oh, that does not say lithium. So lithium is in group 1. It's over here. Its symbol is Li. It's going to be Li plus. All right. Now, chlorine is over here. That means chloride will be Cl minus. So what you do is you've got 1 plus and 1 minus, and to get an ionic formula, they must cancel out. It must equal 0. So you've got 1 plus, you've got 1 minus 1, which is 0. So the ionic formula of chlorine is lithium chloride. Now I'm going to do a slightly tougher one. I'm going to do magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. All right. Now magnesium is group 1. That's what group 2 is Mg because it's group 2, 2 plus. Chlorine again is Cl minus. Now, that's 2 plus. 2 minus 1 doesn't equal 0. I've got 2 positives, so I'm going to need 2 negatives. So I'm going to need another chlorine. You cannot change this. You cannot put a number in front of it. So Mg2 plus and Cl minus and Cl minus. That makes Mg. You need 1 magnesium and 2 chlorines, and that's how you write it. Does that make sense? So let me stop that recording.